Touchdown, baby. No, he dropped it. He dropped it. What's up, guys? We are back with week 2 of our Mississippi State rebuild. We got a lot of recruiting done. We got a lot of guys we're waiting on to commit, but nothing yet. We have week 2, Mississippi State against Arizona State. We were in an absolute grueler week 1 against an FCS, so I'm interested to see how we're going to do against the Arizona State Sun Devils. Y'all let us know before the video starts down in the comments what record you think we're going to end the year with. We got a lot of stud recruits. I'm not going to lie. I'm really excited. Oh, they better have some crazy jerseys. They look like they're going to have some crazy jerseys. I mean, those helmets are kind of fire, though. I'm not going to lie. Those helmets are kind of fire. Hey. Yeah. Those are nice. Those are nice. But they're not better than Mississippi State. No, I'm just kidding. See if we can just remind everybody we are on Heisman difficulty. We are the offensive coordinator, so we're only going to play offense. We'll go ahead and set that up right now. Hometown Irving, Texas. Okay. Shout out Texas. I mean, some say that's the best state, so I mean, I live here, so I'm going to go ahead and agree with that. Play moment. Play action, deep cross. Let's see. We are only going to be asking, like, doing coach suggestions. We're not going to get into some crazy playbook. That was going to be a big gain of yards. I don't know why I stepped up in the pocket, but we did it. I mean, like I said, we were in a fight week 1, so against an FCS, so it's going to be fun seeing what we're going to do against an actual school. That FCS had dudes flying on the field, though. I mean, interceptions, fumbles, block shedding. It was absolutely insane. Hey, they're shedding those blocks quick now, too. We're going to go ahead and punt. We're going to see if our defense can stand on it, stand on some business. See if defense going to stand on some business. Oh. That can give any SEC defense problems. Get the mouse out of the way. I'm not right there. All right, let's see what defense do. Okay, they stood up. They stood up. I like it. Let's get this RPO going. This is either about to be really good or really bad. Bad. No, I couldn't see the screen. That's unfortunate. The screen zoomed out so much I couldn't see what was happening until it was too late. It's all good though. We always fight back from adversity. My boy Shapen's already cold. Okay, 9. I don't know why you took that angle. We're going to have to get this run game going, aren't we? We're going to have to get this run game going. I mean, this crowd is loud. I mean, there's just nothing we can do when we got guys not chip blocking. Run some tight end corner. I can't remember if my tight ends are good or not. There we go. First. There we go. Fight for that. Fight for that, Booth. This is a really good call because that angle route is tough. We got to get the run game established, boys. Let's go. Kick it into gear. Get that. Nice. Nice. Got to get this 7 back. Got to at least tie him up. It's Shapen. Coming after him. Go Shapen. I'll try to fight too hard sometimes for that first down. Wide receiver Amari Cooper is getting a $5 million raise with the team, guaranteeing him a $20 million currently left on his contract. Let's go, Amari. That was one of the top guys projected to sit out for a contract, so that's good they got him some money. We got Jordan Love sitting out, waiting for a new contract, so Interesting to see how that's going to unfold. He is, I mean, one of 3 quarterbacks left that need to get paid. You got Jordan Love, Tua, Dak. I projected Jordan Love to reset the market, 58, 60 mil, something like that. So I think he'll be the highest pay. We'll see what they do, though. Let's see what Green Bay does. Y'all let me know what y'all think the Cowboys do with Dak Prescott. I already got my theories. Y'all know my theories if y'all lock in on the videos. Booth, you need to power this in, baby. Oh my God. 82, get off my field, dude. Get off my field. That's ridiculous.
He was able to sneak into the backfield and get the tackle.
The Bulldogs looking to convert on 4th down. He'll try to throw and pick up the first.
I mean, we just are not blocking. I don't know. Oh, they went and scored, didn't they? 14-0. Unfortunate. We got to battle back here. It's just the first. Got a lot of time left. Just got to lock it in.
From the gun, the ground game.
I mean, Booth is getting it going.
They make the stop, and this running game moves the chains as they get the first down.
And running backs are so good.
They want us to establish that run. We're going to establish that run. 8-5, please go get that middle linebacker. Or don't. Or don't fight off the double team. Whatever. See if we can get a screenplay going. Watch this linebacker read this. Okay. I mean, Booth is fighting for us. I don't know what Shapen's doing, but Booth is fighting.
How about these 2 running games so far? Dominance on the ground as we look at the first quarter.
I'm kind of, I mean, that mascot's kind of wild. Nah, that bell actually just checked me. I'm not going to lie. What was that? That actually just checked me. Let's go, Booth. Get it going, baby. Okay. Okay. We'll take that. We're just getting chunks at a time. I feel bad because we're really going to have to rely on our defense now to go stop, which I think they can do, but nice. Nice. I didn't know if I should have went in or went out right there, but we're chunking right now. I like it.
This first half of offense won't go on the highlight reel so far, but starting to get things.
Nice, Lee. I mean, we're getting 10 a run. Why stop now? We're gashing them.
It's first down from the 11.
If it ain't broke, don't fix it. Oh, okay.
Give him about a yard on the play.
All right. Let's see if Shapen's ready to get a tutty.
Still some ground to cover to pick up that first down. Quarterback now breaking the field.
I mean, I'm glad he caught that at least.
They get it down to the 7 on that.
Their secondary kind of cracked. I'm not going to lie.
Boy, they love to move the sticks here and take a shot at it on 1st and goal.
I had I'm looking at the left side of the field, dude. I feel like we need to kick the field goal, but we're going to go for it. Feel like Mosley about to get it done right here. I mean, he didn't because we got dudes in our face every time we pass it, but... Our defense is standing up. We're just letting them down, dude.
He wants to throw.
Boo! I can't even be mad at him because he's the only one doing good.
This offense has a 2nd down play. Looking for a physical attack from the gun.
I mean, he's just fighting for us and we're letting him down. What are we thinking? Slot wheel? I like slot wheel. They have double linebackers, though.
If they can convert here, that type of play can really give you a shot of momentum.
I mean, I'm getting hit every play, dude. God. I'm about to have to start blocking Booth. I wish he would have hit me.
quarterback gets hit just down the
Oh my God, if that would have been more square, we might have got the ball back right there. They're just gonna go down here and score. They got 3. We gotta get something on the board before half. Something, please.
To the air on first down.
Good little route.
Gets open down the
Good little route 1. Good little route 1.
way that can really get you going as they get it out to the 36. They say
Get something going, boys. Get something going.
So on first down, 1st and 10. Trying to get to
I mean, they're hitting the blitz so hard, dude. And no one's blocking at all.
Take this defense a lot of time to get to the quarterback, man. They've got speed all over the place. They hit him so quickly, and because of that, the ball falls incomplete.
I'm so glad he held on to that, bro. Clock stopped. We got 3 timeouts.
Big chunk of yardage is picked up. Mississippi State to the line with a fresh set of downs. Back to pass. It's Chapin. Quickly complete.
Get out,
And
nice.
he'll make his way out of bounds after the solid pickup.
All right, all right, all right. Will spot, will spot, will spot. We got to get a good gain right here. I'm not gonna lie. This might be going to Booth.
Look at that QB. Y'all get on the same page.
I'm just so happy that was not picked off. I mean, I could have 9 points right now if I wasn't greedy, though. I really just can't be mad at anyone but the coaching.
Snagged in the middle. It's Booth.
14 seconds. I mean, y'all know what Kevin Garnett said best. Anything's possible. Let's get it.
Just a few seconds remaining here as they try to put something up before halftime. Looking to move it through the air.
I mean, every play I'm getting pressured. My quarterback is going to war right now. I guess y'all can't really see that.
There's no extra bodies back there to protect the quarterback. They were able to
There
get
we
to
go.
him on
Y'all can
that
see
one,
the
and that's
score a
why the
little bit
ball was
better.
incomplete.
Right back to the air on 2nd and 10. Pass is incomplete, and we dwindle down to 7 seconds.
I just don't know.
There's a lot of QBs.
We got to get in at least good field goal position. There's that bell again, bro.
Nice job by the defense, pressuring the quarterback.
I mean, can I get pass interference, ref, please? Oh, we hit that. That's cash money. That's cash money. I mean, we going in with some points, but we got to get it. We got to start driving the ball. Defense got us a stop. We get a touchdown here. We're back in it. We get a touchdown here. We are back in it. I mean, we just give up on the play now? We are getting sold. I mean, go Booth! Go Booth! I mean, we gotta fight for Booth, baby. He's trying to win this game. He's trying to win this game for us, bro. And ain't no one doing nothing to help. Throw that away. God.
And not much going on downfield. You just get rid of it and live to play another down. 2nd and 10 after the previous play. Using his legs. It's Booth.
Holding. Great. Good job.
Down, but there's a
Good job.
play. Let's see if it's
Get off my field, 7-5. Ridiculous. Actually ridiculous.
An offensive holding penalty will stall a drive. We'll see if the offense can overcome it. They'll line up for a 2nd down play. Pressure coming. And the quarterback is snowed.
I mean, this is getting out of hand. This is making no sense. Cannot wait to replace this O-line, bro. I cannot wait to replace this offensive line.
So nice when you know it's 3rd and long, you know a pass is coming, you worked on it all week, get your feet set at the sticks.
And I just kicked the worst punt of all time. Awesome.
Nice execution by
I mean, it's not terrible. Do we get a stop? Great, good. Our defense and Booth are fighting, and the offense is just terrible. The offense is just absolutely abysmal other than our running back.
Off the play fake on 1st down, wants to throw.
Oh my God, a positive gain.
And it is a chunk play, a huge gain on that one for the defense brings it to an end. Starting a drive like that really builds confidence.
Let's get this run going again.
Man down on the play as the officials
Oh,
take a
good.
break to let him be checked
I
out.
thought it was Booth.
Picked up 2 yards on that last one. They need
Let's go,
to
Chapin. Get it
down.
together, dude.
Looking for a man. It's Chapin. Fires to the big fella.
They're just
And the
swarming,
defense
bro.
sent man to stop that one for a short gain.
I'll say this, man, in college
They are swarming. We need McCollum open right here. McCollum or Mosley.
point of attack. Once the tight end made the catch, there was
Good
no
catch.
doubt
Get
he
that
was
first.
going to
Nice.
Great job for him today.
That'll be enough for the first down as they stop him at the 43-yard
See if we can get a
line.
chunk.
Mississippi State
Oh, this is
really
not gonna be
efficient
fun to
on
run
offense right
against.
now. The inside
Nope.
handoff.
Because 88 is fucking, or 66 is stupid. Oh my God! I hope these linemen aren't this bad in real life, bro.
Momentum not only of a series, but of a game sometimes.
What you try to do
Can't get the ball off fast enough. I mean,
sticks a little bit to get those sacks, to get those tackles for a loss.
they want us to run streaks on every one of these plays.
It's a lot because you know once you get one of those plays,
Come on, baby, someone get open.
On 3rd and long, doesn't need to take the check down.
Oh, he held it. Let's go.
Ripping through the defense and getting it all the way down to the 24-yard line.
Wow, and what a great job by that quarterback finding his open receiver on 3rd down. You know, guys, one of the most
Good block. Good block, 6. Good block, 6. Let's get it going, boys. Let's get it going.
valuable to your offensive success, and that's why teams
Booth, we need you right here, baby. I mean, and 66 is just terrible, dude. I mean, 66 on Mississippi State. I hope you really aren't this bad, dog. I just really hope you aren't this bad.
great job winning his one-on-one and forcing the negative play.
Might be looking to run. Got enough space.
Oh, I wanted to fight for that touchdown right there, but we just couldn't.
Time winding down in the quarter as they come to the line. He's going to look for a man on 3rd and short.
That's in. That's Tutty. Let's go, baby. Let's go, baby. Please stop. Let's go. We got to drive right here, boys. We got to drive right here.
Comes out throwing on 1st down.
That is not who I wanted that to go to, but we'll go with it. That is not who I wanted that to go to.
And that was some kind of collision between a couple of big bodies there.
Hello?
He stopped from getting the 1st down. Looking to pass. It's Chapin. Makes the grab over the
Why did I not go for the first? Why did I not just go for the first? I tried to go for more yards.
Just get the feeling this
I tried to go for more yards right there, and I sold. Please, Booth.
late, and they're going to try to tackle
Oh, let's go, Booth. Let's go, baby.
going to have to really work for this and be smart. You got to attack the sidelines. You got to throw 1st downs. You got to keep this thing moving vertically down the field.
And the Bulldogs come to the line with a new set of downs. He'll pull it down and run.
2nd and 10.
Maybe he'll get back to the line of scrimmage, but no more than that. 2nd down coming up. They'll run it out of the shotgun.
3rd and 5, 3rd and 6. Oh, we got to get this here, dude. We have to get this. This is crucial. We might have to make a decision. If we don't get this, are we going to punt it?
Huge 3rd down.
See if our defense holds up, or...
Quarterback extends the play.
Let's go, one!
In the middle.
Let's go under pressure and oh my God, Chapin just makes the pass, dude.
I love when QBs break the pocket.
Chapin just makes the
Because as
pass.
soon as you break the pocket, I'm thinking, oh man, he's going to take off and run, and I might come up. With those big
Good block on that. Good block on that.
Good job by the quarterback, keeping his eyes down.
And he goes out of bounds after a nice pickup on that one. Here comes the offense on second.
All right, Lee, lock in. Lee, lock in, baby.
Out of the gun to give to the back.
Nice
But he
game.
has a 1st down.
I mean, they are just falling apart
Down.
on their
Understand
side,
the
bro.
situation, Understand I got to get north and south, get a 1st down, get a new set of downs.
Immediately fires.
Good job, 8-8.
They make
Like I
the
told y'all,
stop
bro,
and
if you
now
wear number
they're
88, you
going
have to
the
be an
top and pick up the
absolute
1st down.
dog. You have to be an absolute dog.
Time is of the essence.
Bro, I'm running on this. I'm running on this. I'm running on this defense.
On the run, it's Booth.
I mean, that's a good gain right there. I don't know why I just hurried up, but
The hurry up now, second down, clock ticking. He's looking to throw.
I mean, I'm just getting mauled.
The pressure will get there. The sack. Down he goes.
This is massive right here, dude. This is massive right here. 3rd and 10.
Really need to pick up this conversion and avoid having to settle for the field goal. Going for six.
Touchdown, baby! No, he dropped it! He dropped it! No! Oh my God!
Need to keep the ball. They'll try to convert on 4th down. He'll go up top, maybe a deciding play.
That's money. No! What are you doing, 8-8? Oh,
On the set. Cricket.
passes. That is unacceptable.
He's gonna pass. Unloads to the wideout. Wide open downfield.
That is just so unacceptable, dude.
He gets all the way to the 46-yard line. Everybody has to be set. They have to get it off.
I mean, we made 2 immaculate plays and just get sold by our wide receivers. Like, what a drive. What a drive.
It's a 1st and 10. Back to throw. It's Chapin. Got his man down the middle.
And now he wants to catch everything. I mean, this is just ridiculous.
So dangerous, this guy.
Nice job by the
We gotta
receiver
pray
there.
for an onside if we get this touchdown.
Finding the soft spot, making it easy on his quarterback to get the completion. He turns it upfield and he moves the sticks.
We just gotta pray for an onside.
On 1st down, he just
I get that onside, I'm going down there and driving.
complete pass leaves him with 2nd down. He's looking to throw. Fires to the right. Got it.
We're gonna use that timeout.
We'll use the timeout. Clock is stopped with 22 seconds left.
I
Now
mean,
on 1st and goal, let's see
well,
what
we can't ask for better looks. Like open wide receivers just fumbling the game away. Just fumbling the game away. And we don't get the onside.
Sometimes it's just not your
Oh
game.
my
Things
gosh.
just didn't work, and that seemed to be the case here.
I mean, that's kind of on us. That's kind of on the quarterback. 2 costly two costly turnovers. I mean, O-line not blocking. Our running back was out there doing his absolute thing. That's just absolutely sickening for a week 2 loss. But we will be back tomorrow for week 3. I appreciate all of y'all tuning in. Let me know, do we need to make some roster changes? Is Chapin not getting it done? We're already recruiting linemen. We got a lot of good things coming to Mississippi State. Let me know what record y'all think we end with down in the comments. Don't forget, like and follow.